Alright guys, this is do-it-yourself water tutorial. So let's go. Alright, so first step, you gotta get your water berries out of the freezer. And next we're gonna juice them. It's pretty easy. And yeah, it'll take a while. So I'll get back to you when I'm done juicing. Alright, and when you're done juicing your waterberry, all you gotta do is strain it into a different cup. And should be ready to, you just let it sit out for a couple minutes. Alright, after you let it sit out for about 3 minutes, should be ready to drink. You know, that took a lot of work, but it's worth it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed this fresh water.